Mm.
Oh, you put a sausage up there.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Perfect.
What's good? We back with another video. We about to do a mukbang, whatever.
A mukbang.
We did it before, but I accidentally deleted the video. I'm mad about it. That was the first video we ever did.
Very first one.
Yeah, but we about to eat some crab legs, some not some shrimp, but crab legs, sausage, eggs,
corn, oysters.
Yeah, that
some
part.
lemon slices. We also have a butter sauce. It's already got the eggs and stuff in it. I'm about to try these eggs though, because I've never tried eggs with it.
Ooh, that was good over there.
Oh, you put a sausage up there. Squirt some lemon on it. It tastes like the ocean. I don't have enough room for this, y'all. Here we go. Oh. Woo!
Let me bust this open though.
What'd you think about me when you first met me?
She cute. Okay. And when I said hey to you, whatever, when we started talking, I was like, oh, she a little hood.
No, you did not.
I was like, well, I was just thinking like you had to chill with some black people or something. Like, 'cause some of the stuff that you was talking about to me. Yeah, I was on vacation or whatever, and I had went to this beach called Emerald Isle. It's in North Carolina or whatever. And I went there playing with my boys. You know, we out there playing football, stuff like that, or whatever. I'm out there running around, and I'm trying to catch the ball. I'm backing up, and I bumped into her, and I think she had like a drink, like a little screwdriver or something.
My drink spit all over. It spit all over me.
Yeah.
And she was trying to be real smooth about it, talking about, oh, I'm so sorry. Huh. She was like, I'm so sorry.
I sound like that. I'm so sorry.
No, you didn't say like that. You was just like, damn, I'm so sorry. Like, it was a complete accident. And then she said that her and her friends had a little motel room or hotel room out there.
Yeah, we had a room out there.
So she offered me to go back.
Yeah, I felt bad, so I was like, you can go back to my room and I'll get you
Oh, my bad.
a shirt or something, whatever. And while I was in the room, I was like, can I talk to you? Can I get your number? And I guess we hit it off. Nah, I was just playing. That didn't happen. It didn't happen. It did not. Y'all, we met. Y'all, we met in prison. And real talk, met in prison. I got locked up on some stupid stuff. It was some parole violations or whatever. Just living in prison. And when I got there, like everybody was telling me, you gonna get them girls out, whatever. Don't be nervous, just go ahead, you straight. I was like, alright, bet. So when I got there, I ain't gonna lie, it was like that.
That's just cause you fine.
Just not even just that. Look, no, for real, like all jokes aside, there's females in there that's gonna be in there for life, and there's females in there that's not gonna be able to. They're not gonna be able to leave. So
right,
they jumping on anything that looks close to a guy, and not even just that. They're just jumping on anybody that's saying that they're gay or whatever. But when you first get locked up, you go in there, you get, go through like medical and stuff like that, and then you get to know where your dorm is and everything, where you're sleeping at or whatever. So that's what I did, and I stayed there for like a couple of weeks, and then we moved down the hill and to another dorm. And when I went to another dorm, that's when I met Debbie. I had went to the bathroom one day, and I was going to the bathroom to make me some swole or whatever. Honestly, I think I needed a noodle or something. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I went in there and I seen her.
No, what you were doing was you were standing in there trying to heat up the taco meat with the warm water.
Yeah, I was. So I'm standing in there because this particular prison, because I went to a prison after that had microwaves, but this particular prison don't have microwaves, so we gotta heat up our noodles and stuff with hot water. Mm-hmm. We'll go to the bathroom and get some hot water. Did I ask you for a noodle then though? Or we just started talking?
We just started talking. I asked you if you were new out there. I was like, are you new in this building?
Like basically all we did was like, I went to the bathroom, we introduced ourselves or whatever, and I thought she was cute. I was thinking in my head, the whole thing I was thinking in my head was, dang, she got some pretty eyes, oh my God. I was like, oh yeah. We're kind of hood a little bit because the stuff she was talking about and the stuff she got into and the stuff that she did.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
I be forgetting we have these lemons here.
Yeah, me too. But so after we left from the bathroom, we went straight to the day room where you sit in there, you can watch TV, you can listen to your music, you can sit in there, play cards, talk to everybody. Eat your swole. We moved the conversation to the day room, and then when we got there, we literally stood there for like an hour, and as we were sitting there, it was another female talking to us or whatever. She was just talking, running her mouth, just talking about random stuff. I don't know what she was talking about. I mean, it was
talking a little reckless.
Yeah, it was a little reckless, talking about, oh, I love black people and you guys this and you guys that, and I'm just like, okay, anyway, they be your friend. Because I don't even know this. Why is she over here talking to us?
Don't do that, because that's not my friend, girl. I met her that same time you met her. Don't do that.
But it was just weird how she was sitting there talking to us, like, randomly. Like, first of all, we trying to be booed up and talking. To be real, the whole time I really was trying to be booed up. Talk to Debbie, get to know her, whatever.
It was really one of the best conversations I ever had.
Yeah, we talked for a good hour and some change. I mean, talking. And
it's so funny, because everybody in the day room peeped us out talking, and like...
Yeah, the whole time just peeped us out, right? And it was this girl named Virginia sitting right behind us while we was talking. And I turned around, I'm like, Virginia, how long we been sitting here talking?
And she was like, she was like, about 2 hours and 27 minutes.
And I was just thinking in my head, dang, how did she know on the dot? So the very next day I had went.
No.
The very next day, Debbie came running to me talking about, yo, you remember when we was sitting there talking You remember when you told me that? You remember we were sitting there talking? Tell me why. What did you tell me?
I was like, tell me why. Because the girl Virginia that we had asked the time for and whatever, she stayed the same hall as me and everything, right across the hall. Like, she was like, yo, you know, everybody in the day room was like betting that y'all were gonna like get booed up or whatever.
And hook up.
And so it's like everybody in the day room like was making bets on me and Corey, talking about, oh, I bet you they end up hooking up, blah, blah, blah.
And I wasn't thinking like that, though. That's the crazy part. I'm just really vibing. We
literally were just having a conversation.
I have never vibed with nobody this hard. Never really. And plus, we don't argue like that. And if we do, we just bickering for it. But yeah, we only talked for like a week or so. And she got transferred to Little Raleigh. And then I got transferred to Noose. This other prison that used to be a men's prison, but they turned into a female's prison. They transferred me there, and the whole time I was sick, I was like, every time somebody got transferred, I looked, trying to see if she was coming through.
I did the same thing when I was at my prison.
Where my friend at? Where my friend at?
Every time I knew somebody was transferring, I'd be staring at the doors, waiting to see her come through. And anytime somebody came to my prison from the prison that we met at, because I didn't know she was transferred until like 2 days I had got out of prison. I thought she was still there.
Still in Raleigh?
Yeah, I thought you were still there.
Yeah, I got transferred.
Every time somebody would come in from the prison where we met, I would be like, did you meet a girl named Corey? She has dreads, she's a stud, like, she's light skinned, Yeah. Everybody be like, no, because I didn't know it, but like a day or two after I transferred, she had transferred. So.
Found out when I was getting out. This other stuff, but when I finally got out though, I got on my Facebook, and Debbie was the first person that I seen that sent me a friend request.
Yeah, because I had got out like a month before you.
And I was like, oh, that's that girl, that Debbie girl. That's the white girl I've been looking for, man. I instantly accepted her friend request, messaged her that, and I think we started messaging every other day, and then we started talking on the phone, FaceTiming every freaking day, and it got to a point where we was just always on the phone with each other, and I was like, I gotta come out there and see you, because by this time I'm in Charlotte, and she's in Goldsboro helping her best friend, and
my best friend's little brother.
And his girlfriend got in the car, drove all the way to Charlotte. This was like 3 hours and like 45 minutes or something like that. Or 3 hours, 30 minutes, something like that.
Yeah, because we left our house in Goldsboro at like noonish, like 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah.
We didn't get to our house picking her up until like 4.
Yeah, y'all didn't get there.
Not to interrupt you, babe, but look at his body. It's got a sausage on it, onions. Oh my gosh.
But anyway, it was one time I came back. So I was like traveling back and forth from Charlotte to here so I could see her or whatever. And it was one day that I came back for Valentine's Day. She didn't think I was gonna come. I'm on the phone with her. I'm FaceTiming her, and at this moment I'm in the car with my friends. We're like chilling, smoking, whatever. We're on the way. I'm ready.
So, I had no idea.
So she still blanking on me like, when are you coming?
I was blanking, y'all. Like, I was getting mad because she wasn't letting me know anything because she was trying to make it a surprise.
Yeah.
So it was making me mad because I was like, you don't even know when you're coming.
Yeah,
I'm like, you're waiting last minute to do anything. It's all because
I don't know.
It was just because you weren't letting me know nothing, so I didn't know that you know.
And also, you was drinking with your friends, so I was like, yo, I told a friend, I said, yo.
Oh my God, I know, right?
Make sure Debbie does not get drunk. And she was like, all right, bet, I got you. I was like, yeah, because I'm in the car and I'm on the way. And around this time, it was like 12 o'clock in the morning. Like 12 at night in the morning. And so I'm on the way, we on the way, drinking, on the way, smoking, whatever, trying to get down to my friend's bar. It's like 3 in the morning. I get there. Luckily, the front door was unlocked. So I walk in and I see her sleep on the couch looking so adorable. I'm like,
I wasn't drunk, but I had been drinking, so it was not hard for me to be asleep.
Yeah. So when I walked in, I seen their dog, MJ, heard him. I hopped off the couch, walked towards me. I'm like, shh, be quiet, because she was about to start making noises because she started doing that.
Yeah, growling.
Not even growling, but it was like a weird.
Yeah, it's a weird noise she makes.
So I lay on the couch behind you and put my hands over your eyes and like try to make sure you don't know who I am.
And it scared me, y'all.
And you finally woke up. I was like, look at you. Why are you over here sleep like that? But yeah, and over time, like I said, I've been coming back and forth because at the time I was still on parole and everything, so I had to go see my PO, come out here and see her or whatever. And I was getting like visitations and stuff like that from my PO, like when he was letting me travel back and forth or whatever. But still, it was just hard because like, what if I didn't go back up there on time, stuff like that. It was just really tricky. It was just hard, but just to chill with her and see her or whatever. And then plus we both fellas, we both was on parole. We really wasn't supposed to be hanging out like that.
Yeah.
But still, I'm like, can't hold me back. I ain't gonna lie, after traveling back and forth, finally got my papers, y'all. Finally got my papers signed where I'm off of parole and all that. Finally got that signed and everything going in. So, once I did that, I decided to move out here and do this YouTube with her, because we really want to help people out and stuff, and I'm hoping like this YouTube really help other people. Yeah, we're not just gonna be some couple up here just eating and just showing y'all what we're doing all day. We're really gonna take this and actually help people out, like people out here that don't have formula for their kids or diapers. I really want to help people, make them happy, because it's gonna make me happy and it'll make me feel some type of way. Because I love seeing that. I love seeing people actually helping out, and not just helping out people that not only that's like homeless, but also people that really just need help and stuff like that. People that really just need a hand. You know what I'm saying? Because my parents been there before. My mom's been there. So. And I know how it feels to struggle. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, we really got bigger plans in the future and stuff. We're trying to do something better than just eating on camera and showing y'all our relationship. We don't just want to do that. We want to show y'all the things that's going on in the streets, and we want to help out the people that's on the streets and help out people that's, that just need a helping hand, like I said before. And I really want to get that feeling of I'm helping somebody out and they cry and it made me cry because I'm so happy. I can't wait for that, for real. Y'all gotta stay tuned and help us out, and you gotta just tell your friends to tell their friends. Help us out. We're trying to get the subscribers up. We're really trying to get them up. So.
But give this video a big thumbs up and spam comments, subscribe.
Tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends to tell their friends.
Yes.
Trying to help the people out.
We're about to make business cards and everything.
But yeah, anyway. I love you. Let me stop. Anyway, without further ado, I love you.
And I love you more. Peace.
But alright, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Go ahead and like it.
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah, and comment under this video and give us some ideas of what we should do next. I hope y'all liked our story about how we met. And if you got any other questions about us, we can do a Q&A for our next video and everything.
Just comment your questions.
Yeah. But yes, anyway, peace.